Welcome to the video that will demonstrate how to use the AI Coustics website. So you're going to go ahead and go to Google and type in AI and then Coustics to get the site, and there it is. And you're going to want to play around on the site. So for example, they have historical, lecture, interview, and so forth, and they allow you to preview it as the original, then with enhanced medium, and then enhanced in full. The differences are mind-blowing. So I went ahead and I went to Pixabay to download an interview. So I did download it to my downloads folder, and I'll go ahead and show you how to set that up. So you would choose try it yourself. You can go ahead and click on this to browse files. I'll go to my downloads folder and upload the original sound. Then you're going to choose proceed. You might have to wait patiently. You're going to want to listen to the original and play it.
Do you like the solar system?
Yeah, it's quite cool, planets and stuff.
What is your favourite planet? How long have you been interested in the solar system?
And then go ahead and choose enhanced audio and then play it.
Do you like the solar system?
Yeah, it's quite cool, planets and stuff.
What is your favourite planet? How long have you been interested in the solar system?
You'll be amazed at the difference in quality. If you like the enhanced option, you would then choose download. And again, now that's going to be in my downloads folder, and that's the audio I would use for projects. I highly recommend that you choose the option to start a live recording. Do an experiment. There's probably going to be students surrounding you making noise. And then check the difference between non-enhanced and enhanced recordings. This should be a lot of fun. This concludes the session on how to use AI Coustics. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.